Mornings can be rough. The ideas don't always flow. Even the beats don't hit it right.
Siradi kitu hapa. Assignments zitaniumisha kichwa.
Sometimes the mind just needs a reset.
Oh,
With a simple sachet, Nescafe 3-in-1 delivers that smooth, rich flavor, ready in seconds. Rich aroma, smooth flavor. It's not just coffee, it's a moment of recharge. Now I'm back, focused, flowing, and creating.
only one cup na msharudi 4.
All I need is this Nescafe